All right, welcome back everybody to my channel. What's going on? My name is Vitaliy Dubinin, and we are talking about the up and coming bull market in the crypto space that is here. We are seeing absolutely tremendous growth in so many crypto coins, crypto projects, and I want to give you my insights on where we are right now, how you should prepare for the up and coming bull market, because people are making life-changing gains, and I believe this is going to be even more aggressive bull market than we've seen previously in 2020 and 2021. So let's begin, guys. I want to share my screen. We are right now at $1.42 trillion global crypto market cap, and I believe more than $10 trillion is going to be flow into the crypto space, primarily because the big guys, BlackRock, is getting involved with the Bitcoin ETF, with the Ethereum ETF, and allowing a lot of institutional investors to buy Bitcoin, to buy crypto without holding the underlying assets. So that can bring a lot of people and also retail investors into the crypto space. So we are just starting this. It's not the big bull market just yet, but we are finishing the first phase of the bull market. We already see some life-changing gains. So Bitcoin is trading right now at $37,700, approaching the $40,000 level. Ethereum at $2,000. We've seen an incredible months in the last 30 days. Months of November has been absolutely amazing for so many coins. We even have the FTT token of the collapsed FTX exchange rose by 222%, Caspa another 155%, KuCoin 76%, DAO out of the blue 224%, Rune 130%. I mean, you can see what's going on. Solana 67%, AVAX 82%. We're seeing the bulls are back. The bulls are here. Plain and simple. The bulls are here. The bull market is heated. It's heating on, and everybody's anticipated 2024 is to be an explosive year, with 2025 to be the blow off top with an amazing bull run, aggressive bull run. So you want to be positioned yourself for capitalizing on this gain. So I want to give you a couple of tips. First of all, the coins tend to move with the price of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been doing pretty well. You can see on the chart in the last 4 months, we've seen two nice green candles. This is a 2 month chart, by the way, and I want to show you those two indicators. Okay, the TDIGM, that is basically showing you when the bull market is starting. When the red line is crossing this green line, this is where the bull market is starting. We can see we had it over in March 2023. This is where the bull market has started officially, right? You can see this bullish engulfing candle on the 2 monthly chart. That was when? That was right here, January, February. Boom, we started our bull market, and now we are continuing moving forward. We touched base and the $25,000. We kind of retested this as support and now continue going higher. So when do you see this bull market finish? Well, in 2024 in April, we're going to see a Bitcoin halving, which is going to reduce 2 times less the amount of Bitcoins that are coming basically out of the miners' rewards, and it's going to spur a lot of scarcity into Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is moving the altcoin market. As Bitcoin is stable, altcoins are booming. Bitcoin is going up, altcoins are booming. Okay, if Bitcoin goes down, all the altcoins are going down even more. So the big granddaddy, everybody is watching, everybody is looking to see what is the next move for Bitcoin, because it affects your entire portfolio. So looking at here at this indicator, our RCI 3 lines, basically you can see also here when the red is crossing the blue, this is where the peak basically of the bull market, every single time, right? The peak of the bull market. So you can see over here that when this red line crosses the blue line, we saw the peak of the previous bull market, okay? And similarly here. So kind of watch it like this. And I want to go to the daily chart. We're seeing right now the market is heating up, right? When Bitcoin crossed this day on 23rd of October, when Bitcoin crossed the $31,000, 32,000, and continue moving higher, that was incredible run for so many altcoins in the space. And it will show you the narratives that I'm kind of looking at right now to enter into the space. But can we go right now down to retest this level? Absolutely, we can. To retest 31,000, 32,000. In fact, if we do, it's going to be a tremendous opportunity to get in on the cheap, not just on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin can, I don't anticipate Bitcoin going more than 5x, but to really get into the altcoins. If it's going to happen, if Bitcoin is going to drop to $31,000 and $32,000, I'm going to be aggressively buying as much as I possibly can, different altcoins, because this will be an amazing opportunity, right? And at some point, we do anticipate that the dip should happen. Why? Because it always happens. We've been without a dip since couple months, right? Without any major dip. So I do anticipate that at some point we're going to see a dip happen, maybe 20, maybe 30% on the price of Bitcoin. And that will be your last chance to really come in on some of this project cheaply, okay? Now, look at the narratives. Gaming narratives is really heated up. You can see in the last 30 days, we have the gaming 1,100%. We have DIO decimated 584%, DFL 500%, CDOS 482%. So APIC 331%. So you can see a lot of the crypto gaming tokens has been absolutely skyrocketing in the last 30 days and getting back on track, right? So for example, the CDFI, okay? I just invested today in CDFI, and you can see that in the all-time high, it was $16, and it kind of crashed with the bear market, and then it kind of flattened out. And then just recently, in November, October, November, it started to move from like 10 cents to $2. So it's basically an increase, 10 cents about a month ago, 10 cents you could have bought. So it is already like 20x in the last months. I mean, it is incredible, right? We even see the FTT token started to move after it's been flatlined. That's how bullish the market is, from $something, $1.20 to $4, right? So we are beginning this bull market, and you need to be prepared. You need to be prepared because some blue chip coins like Cardano that we experienced some, a lot of time they've been in the market, they can rise back to the all-time high. I believe they can do it, but there's some of the smaller market cap coins, and I'll show you what I've recently been invested into in the gaming space. Is basically several projects. We have Prime, Echelon Prime, $7.81 right now. It's $200 million market cap, and you can see quite nice, right? From $3 to $8 it moved this month. Incredible. Look at a monthly, 170% increase in Prime this month. I'm looking at Nakamoto Games. Naka right now is $1.88, and looking at this month, it increased by 106%. Looking at Epic, this is in the gaming space, Epic Prime. So this one increased this month by 331%. So these coins are moving. I have the 0x0. I'm looking at this one. So I'll put in some money here. This is relatively new coin. You can see you could have got this at 0.000 something in February, 3 zeros. Now it's 11 cents. Yeah. So this is quite interesting. This is like how much? 100x, 150x. From all time is like 164x. 164x already in this market before the big bull market started. It's quite incredible. So what this project is doing, you can go to the website, privacy security. It's about bringing AI and privacy tools, privacy decks, privacy mixer, stuff like that. So quite good technology here. Now, I'm not recommending any of these tokens, right, to buy. Okay, all of these are high risk, so I'm allocating a very tiny amount of my portfolio into this project. So I'm not putting no 10% or 5% of my portfolio. I'm putting very small amounts into this tokens, but I'm preparing myself for the bull market. And if the prices are going to drop, if Bitcoin is going to drop to 32, 33,000, 31,000, I'm going to be greedy and buying a lot of these coins. Look at Star Atlas, the last 2 months, from 0.001 cents to 0.005. It's like in the last months it increased by 160%. So this is the time right now to be aggressively researching the crypto space and really understanding the big narratives that are coming. Is number one, the gaming space. Another one is the AI. Okay, so I would look at different categories of AI projects, allocating some portion into that one. And of course, layer ones and layer twos. Okay, some good layer ones, good layer twos, investing in those can be very, very good and meaningful in this up and coming bull run. Okay, so we have quite a lot of different categories, sectors right here, but the ones I'm looking at primarily is AI, artificial intelligence, gaming space, layer one blockchains. Layer one blockchain that I have a lot of faith in is the Ultron ULX coin. Is right now trading at 10 cents. I believe in the bull market it can go all the way to $3 and above. Okay, so if you look at it right now, you can pick it up at 10 cents. I think it's a nice juicy price. You can stack, like Lucy, I've been stacking ULX quietly. Developers on fire, always updated, solid project. Yeah, there's a lot of Lotto Days launching, by the way, next month in December. So it's gonna be incredible to see. If you don't know Lotto Day, what Lotto Day is, let me show you how it works. Just need to update the VPN. So Lotto Day is an application launching on top of the Ultron chain, and Lotto Day is going to allow the global lottery, like people playing lottery worldwide, wherever they are, and basically with $3 ticket, they can win a jackpot of at least $1 million. So it's going to bring a lot. It's built on Ultron, Tron, Polygon, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, on these 5 different blockchains. And the game is already launching next month in December. So I also hold the NFT of the Lotto Day, which is allowing you to generate some nice juicy X's. You can see up to 8x. So I personally hold this one, the Rising Phoenix, 12,500 USDT, which can give you 87,500 USDT after all of this daily payouts. It's basically the first time that we are seeing a lottery business is giving out revenue shares for those who have the allocation. So this is pretty cool. You can check it out at Lotto Day, and it's launching very, very soon. And next year, also launching in the ecosystem is FleetMe, is the banking and crypto platform all in one, allowing people to transfer money, transfer their through the banking, transfer their basically fiat currencies, dollars or euros, and exchange them to crypto, load them to the debit card, and receive cashback on their purchases. So this is another project that is launching on top of Ultron as well, like not on top of, like in collaboration with Ultron chain as well. And basically that's why I'm bullish on Ultron. There is a lot of projects on the ecosystem. If you check on ultron.foundation, you'll be able to see what Ultron Foundation is doing in the roadmap and the ecosystem that is building for this layer one. So it's one of those narratives that can really explode, because it's a early stage layer one blockchain that is already gaining traction with almost 140,000 unique users, unique accounts. You can see it right there on the blockchain. So that's what I want to share with you today in this video. I'm going to start doing more and more videos on the crypto space, because we are right now, the bull market is heating up. We're just finished an amazing months of November, bullish green months, and across the sectors, people are making some crazy gains already. And we are out of the bear market. Okay, if the price is dipping, this is where you want to pick it up. If something is dipping, this is an opportunity for you to pick up some of these coins cheaper and just hold them until the bull market. The bull market will take Bitcoin way above 60,000. I believe we can hit $100,000 this time for the price of Bitcoin. So we still have Bitcoin like can triple from where it is right now, and it means a lot of the coins can really go in a much more higher parabolic gain. So this is the time. We have 26,000 cryptocurrencies out there, even more. So you need to do your research, do not be lazy, and get involved into the crypto space. I wish everybody huge success, and I will see you in the next videos about crypto market updates.